This is what to look for in the stock market this next coming week. Let's check out the S&P. S&P closed at 3,924.26 Now last week we were looking for the market to move towards that 4,000 area, and we are there. So here's what we're looking for this coming week. We want to see if that area can hold up. Does this have validity? If we can hold this area, then we can make a higher low and then potentially make a move higher, or we continue to move lower. And right now momentum is to the downside, and chances are we do move lower and we continue to move towards this 3,800 level. This level is critical. If this level does not hold up, the rest of the market is likely going to fall right below the floor, and we'll make newer lows. I'm looking for the S&P to make some type of move to defend next week. If it cannot, then we know what the rest of the market will spell. That's the S&P. Let's check out IWM. That's ticker IWM. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Get this weekly video so you can understand how to use technical analysis in real time. IWM closed at 180.09 cents. Let's check out what the performance was this week. I was a little disappointed in IWM. I was expecting for it to stay in this area. This is what I highlighted last week because we were there before. Instead, we dropped right into this area again, and now we've closed on the lows. And just like any other time, closing at the highs, chances of continuation are good. Closing at the lows, same thing, chances of a continuation are good. But last week I said ultimately I'm looking for IWM to retest around that 170 area. And right now, it looks like it's going to try again. We also have to respect that that 200-day moving average is there, and it could also hold things up. A lot of things going on right now. The chop zone, let's stay out of it. Let's just stay out of it. Let's see who's going to be victorious when it comes to this bull and bear fight. All right, I want to see 170 get tested. That's how we're going to know who's going to win. That's IWM. Let's check out the Dow, and we use $DJI. So the Dow closed at 31,318.44. Let's take a look at the performance from the prior week. Last week we highlighted this evening star pattern and said that was not a good look, and obviously it was not. We did continue to move lower, and chances of the Dow going higher are still pretty slim. We're likely going to retest around this 31,000 to 30,000 area. 200-day moving average did its thing last time to help boost the market. Let's see if it can do it again. We're going to move likely to retest between this 31,000 to 3,000 area. That's the Dow, and let's check out last the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq closed at 12,098.44. Let's look at the performance. We said last week this would likely retest around at 12,000. And we are there. That was pretty simple. So let's wrap this one up. All four indexes showed weakness, continued weakness from last week. I was looking last week to see the market do this move, and it did. And now for the next coming week, what I am watching for is the sliver of hope for defense once it moves down to retest its lows. If it can defend, then this market can at least chill out on that move lower. If it can't defend, then we have ourselves new lows coming in the future. So that is it for this week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like I said, every single week you'll get full technical analysis from yours truly on how to read a chart. Speaking of reading a chart, hit up wincrease.com if you want to learn how to read a chart. The link is in the description. I do have courses there in order to teach you how to read a chart very, very simply. no confusion, clean charts, the whole nine. Hit that link in the description. It'll give you access to where to get the courses from. Hit me up on Stocks and Bars. New episode is out. My fellas, Marathon Money. Make sure that you get to them, Marathon Money Plus, where you get your stock picks. And I want you to enjoy yourself, all right? Take care of yourself. Health is wealth. And we will catch you next week, all right? Peace.